Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to our online classes. This is Abdullah Alim Sheikh, head teacher Mohanpur High School, Mohanpur Rajshahi. This is my second class. Today's class is 9 and 10 classes. Who are participated 21 SSC examinee and who study in class 9. It is in England, second part. Dear students and guardians, I hope all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Thank you. Today's discussion about first I write down a sentence. Please look at the whiteboards or blackboard. This is: he is a student. He is a student. Is not he? Dear student, I write down a sentences. He is a student. Is not it? Please. What is this? What is this? This is tag question. This is tag question. This is question tag. Questions. This is question tag. Today discussion about tag questions. Our class topic is tag questions. This is English second part, Unit 8, Part 1. Okay. Dear student, I teach in this lessons, this part previously, and this is again. These lessons learning outcomes. After we have started this lesson, we will be able to define question each. Define question tag, identify tag operation, apply tag, different use of tag. So next, this is I write down second sentence. You are the sun. You are the sun. Aren't you? This is tag. Adding something with other. Dear student, when you read the tag question, you have learned previous this tag question. There are some operators. There are 24 operators. This is it's called the B verb, am, is, are, was, were are called the operators. Tag questions will need the operators, am, is, are, was, are, and so on. And then am, is, are, was, were, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, have, has, had, must, ought, dare, need. This is operators. And then do, does, and did used in action verb. Do, does, did, when some sentences are not the big verbs or helping verb, used as do, does, and did. Do, does added the present form, and did are the past form verbs. Dear student, when you write the tag questions, this is constructed form. This is not a full basic verbs. Verb is a constructed form. সংক্ষিপ্ত রূপ। ফুল মিনিংফুল রূপটা এখানে ফুল ফর্মসটা লেখা যাবে না। এখানে কনস্ট্রাক্টেড ফর্ম am not, is not, are not এরকম না লিখে Then cannot, cannot না লিখে can't, can't, are not না লিখে aren't, aren't, or and. This is the constructed form. Dear student, this is easy to ask for us and our dear student who read the who study in class 9 and 10, especially who are participate the SSC exam. It is important for them. Dear student, how to form a tag questions, how to form a tag question, কিভাবে আমরা ট্যাগ কোশ্চেন তৈরি করতে পারি বা রূপ পরিবর্তন করতে পারি। দিস ইজ স্ট্রাকচার ইজ অ্যান্ড পজিটিভ, ট্যাগ ইজ নেগেটিভ, স্ট্রাকচার ইজ নেগেটিভ, ট্যাগ ইজ পজিটিভ। অ্যাজ ফর এক্সাম্পল, হাসান is a truthful, truthful boy. Here is our big verb, and this sentence is our positive sentence. So negative is negative. That question is negative form. Is on Hasan is noun and it is pronoun form he. And then statement, dear student, here is structures. Please first look at the whiteboards. Structure, please. Statement, plus operator, in negative form is subject plus pronoun. Dear student, when you got the noun names Hasan, Karim, Rohim, Shikha, this is also when you write down the tag, you also use the pronoun or সর্বনাম। এখানে মনে রাখা প্রয়োজন, এখানে উল্লেখ করা প্রয়োজন যে সাবজেক্ট যদি নাউন হয় সর্বদা ট্যাগ কোশ্চেনের অবজেক্ট হবে pronoun. It's must remember it. It is important for us, of our students. This and then dear student, structure is this structure is a positive statement and negative statement is statement plus operator plus negative form plus subject pronoun. And then she please, here are some examples. Dear student, look at the blackboard and listen to me. Rubina is a brilliant student. You are not a player. They are our guest. Plus, I write down Rubina was a brilliant student. This is positive statement. Its answer is wasn't she. Yes, student, there are some rules when you write down the statement and write down it to give the comma and write down the track question form. Under track question, after track questions form, you write down, you give the question as sign of interrogation. Sign of interrogation. It is must remember it. And this is you are not a player. This is you are not a player. Dear student, this is negative forming sentence. This is negative form sentence. So write down its positive is that question is positive. Are you? This is negative form sentence and this is positive sentence. And this is positive sentence. Negative is negative, and this is negative sentence. That question is positive. So dear student, how will you attack if there is no operator? If there is no operator, such in the sentence, such as this kind of sentence, this is he plays football. Dear student and viewers and learners, he plays football. Here is not a operators or a verb. This is this is present indefinite tense. This kind of sentence you have got. There is you look at this kind of which kinds of tense. This is present indefinite tense. There is no operators. When you are not got the operators or before, you write down the present forming is do or does, and negative past present forming, this is did. This is present forming. He is present indefinite tense and he is third person singular number. So you write down the he plays football and then comma, and tag is doesn't, doesn't he. This is tag question, doesn't he. Dear student, look at the blackboard attentively. Here is no operators, but you use the doesn't he. Doesn't, this is present indefinite tense and this is he, third person singular number. So use the doesn't he, and then we play football, and then we play football. Look at the blackboard, please. This sentence subject is plural form we. This kind of sentence you are not use the do. Look at the blackboard or whiteboard, dear learners. This is we play football. This sentence we, this is subject and this is plural form. This kind of sentence it has not operator, but it is plural form. So this kind of sentence you use the don't. First write down the sentence again. We play football comma, and then the question is don't we, and ends of the question right a sign of interrogation. Must you use the must of interrogation, sign of interrogation, and then And please, dear student, this kind of the two sentence is present form, and then another sentence is past form. She cooked. She cooked rice. Dear student, this is she cooked. She is subject, cooked is verb, and then use verb is adding ed form, and so this is the past indefinite tense. When we got this kind of sentence, that question, this is positive sentence, and then it has no the be verb or operators. So use this is if it is past form sentence, use the did, and this is positive sentence added not, did not. So write down first, she cooked rice, comma, didn't she. So this is dear student, I wrote the three sentences. First two sentence is present form, and this next one is past form, and then another sentence is she went to market. Dear student, she subject, went is basic form of main verb, principal verb, market is to market, this is object, and then it has no operators. It has no operators, so this kind of sentence you have got, you used to counts in be. So it is past form is when. This is present form is go, past form is when, past participle is gone. So this is past forming sentence. So I write down first as she went to market, she went to market, comma, didn't she. Okay, dear student, there are some rules. This is past forming sentence, this is past indefinite tense. So dear student, when you change or you how to form the tag question, there are some rules. When you have got positive sentence, tag question is negative, and when you got the negative sentence, tag question is positive. Also, first after ends of the sentences, you write down the operator or a helping verb and added not, and then also use the pronoun. Also use the pronoun instead question. Must be correct. This is my first process. Is that a question? Tomorrow we will discuss about the more this kind of sentences. This is tag question. Tag question also after all আবার আমরা বলতে পারি tag question জুড়ে দেওয়া, স্বীকৃতি দেওয়া, support দেওয়া. This is called the Bengali form. So, dear student, it is also 9 and 10 classes at intermediate level, or also others admission test or business type of post exam. You need to take question. So it is important for us. Tomorrow discuss more and more. Thanks. No more to do. Tomorrow meet you. Thank you.